Hi, I'm Andrew Barker. This is Modern Shakespearean Sonnets number 40, You, Youth and the Song Lyric. How often did we listen to those great bombastic claims, those three chords and the truth? The words they wound round drum beats as each night they rattled out a soundtrack to our youth. The Irish conflict, Martin Luther King, it seemed they were addressing so much more. Such force gets channeled in the way you sing. I learnt that this was what the words were for. The lyric was a bottleneck through which the music's theme was forced into the room by those with the audacity and reach to try to catch emotion in a tune. The sound was more convincing than the sense, but older now, I find I'm still impressed. Thank you. That was Sonnet 40. Get it? From Joyce is Not Here, 101 Modern Shakespearean Sonnets. I'm Andrew Barker. If you like that, please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.